Hello, good day my future employer. My name is Aleli Salmorin, 28 years old, currently here in Philippines. I am married with 2 kids, a 4-year-old girl and a 6-year-old boy. I am college undergraduate with the course of BS Midwifery. I am second out of 5 siblings. I have 1 sister and 3 brothers. Previously, I have experience here in the Philippines as a full-time nanny and all-around helper. My main duties here are taking care of 8 months old baby girl, doing the laundry, marketing, cleaning the house, and ironing clothes. I also have experience in Hong Kong, taking care of 9-year-old boy, sending him to school and picking him up. I also accompanying him to his activities like basketball, swimming, and violin. I am also a pet lover because we do have 5 dogs and 3 cats. I am positive and hardworking person, and I also consider myself as a trustworthy and reliable person. Thank you for your time and have a great day.